Who knew Medea had a daggone air fryer? Who knew that? In 26 quarts right there. We finna pop this sucker open. Y'all know it's football season, man. I had to get a new air fryer. Woo! Got double doors on that sucker. Stainless steel. Look at what the heck is this control? This is a daggone oven. Look at that. You only got to pull one of them doors to open that sucker. Look, and it came with the crumb tray, okay? I know y'all don't like to clean those crumbs up, but it'd be tearing up your air fryers, okay? All you got to do is pop that out, put that in the garbage. Then you got the cooking sheet, okay? Cookies, whatever you need to put on there, sliders, whatever. And it came with the air fry basket, and then you got to have a rack in there. Racks in the middle, air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, pizza, reheat, warm, slow cook, dehydrate. Man, stop playing with me. Hey, if you come over here for football season, word is on the street, you're gonna be blessed. Now, what y'all want me to make in here first? Y'all let me know. What should I make in here first? And I will definitely do that, and I'm gonna let you know how it come out. All right now? You know what to do, baby.